Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about one of the most classic and beautiful crochet techniques, the granny square pattern. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crochet lover, granny square are a timeless design that never gets out of style. Granny squares are small square shaped crochet motifs that are created using simple stitches, usually starting from the center and working outward in rounds. These squares may look simple at first, but they hold endless creative possibilities from clothing to home decor. Granny squares can be used in so many different ways. One of the best things about granny square pattern is that they are beginner friendly. If you are just starting your crochet journey, learning how to make a granny square is a perfect first step. Basic stitches like chain stitch, slip stitch, and double crochet are usually enough to create a beautiful square. With just a little practice, you can quickly master the technique. Granny squares are known for their colorful and vibrant appearance. Traditionally, they are made using multiple colors, creating a bright and cheerful design. Each round can be worked in a different color, giving the square a unique and eye-catching look. However, if you prefer a more modern style, you can also create granny squares using a single color for a clean and elegant finish. There are many different types of granny square patterns. This classic granny square features a simple repeating pattern with open spaces that create a slight and airy texture. Solid granny squares are, on the other hand, have one of the most exciting aspects of granny squares is how they can be joined together. Once you create multiple square, you can connect them to form longer piece. This is how beautiful items like blankets, scarves, bags, tops, and even dresses are made. Each square becomes a small part of a bigger design, creating a stunning final product. Granny square crochet tops are especially popular in fashion. These tops are made by joining colorful squares together, resulting in a vibrant and artistic outfit. They are perfect for summer and give a strong boho inspired look. Similarly, green square cardigans and jackets are also trending, offering both warmth and style. Green square blankets are perhaps the most traditional and loved use of this pattern. These blankets are not only warm but also full of personality. Each square can represent a different color pattern, making the blanket unique and meaningful. When it comes to yarn selection, cotton yarn is great choice for Cotton yarn is a great choice. Cotton yarn is a great choice for beginners because it is easy to work with and holds its shape. While acrylic yarn is also popular because it is affordable and available in a wide range of colors. The choice of yarn can greatly affect the final look of your granny square. Color combination is another important factor. You can choose soft pastel shades for a calm and elegant look, or go for a bright and bold color for a lively and energetic design. Mixing and matching colors allows you to create something truly unique. Granny squares also offer flexibility in size. You can make small squares and join many of them together or create one large granny square for a quick project. The size depends on your design and purpose. For those who enjoy creativity, granny squares like blanket canvas, you can experiment with different patterns, colors, and arrangements to create something that reflects your personal style. There are no strict rules, which make this technique even more enjoyable. Another advantage of granny square is that they are portable. You can carry your yarn and hook anywhere and work on individually squares whenever you have free time. This make it a relaxing and productive hobby. Care and maintenance of granny square items are also important. Gentle washing and proper dyeing can help maintain the shape and quality of your crochet work. Always handle your handmade piece with care and to make them look beautiful for a long time. Granny square crochet is not just a technique, it's a traditional passed down through the generations. It comes modern fashion with classic handmade art, making it special part of crochet culture. In conclusion, the granny square is pattern is versatile, creative, and timeless crochet design. Whether you are making clothing, accessories, or home decor, classic handmade art, making it our home decor, granny squares offer endless possibilities. They are easy to learn, fun to create, and always beautiful to look at. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more crochet tutorial and design ideas. Keep creating, stay inspired, and we will see you in the next video. So these are beautiful crochet patterns. If you watch full video, you can choose beautiful patterns for your future project. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, and you can share it with your friends.